What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back yet again, man, with a new video, and today we have something pretty exciting that I got in the mail finally. I know I talked to you all about it last video a little bit, kind of hinted on what we were getting. It's something that's super simple to put in, or put on, I should say. We got it in the mail, and I'm super stoked. I test fit it the other day, and I'll show you guys how to do it and put it on and everything. It's just very simple, easy install. It takes a couple minutes, and if that, honestly. But before I get into that, guys, I was doing a little bit of analytics on my channel right now, and like 98% of you that view my videos are not subscribed to the channel yet. So guys, please, if you can, if you're enjoying the content, please smash that subscribe button. You know, it really helps me out, and the quicker we can get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, I will be doing a giveaway of some sort at 1,000 subscribers. My first little milestone is obviously going to be 500. The sooner that we can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm thinking about doing a possible pretty basic giveaway of some sort. You know, I'm thinking possibly going to do a GoPro giveaway. So we will see, but you guys have to smash that subscribe button as much as you possibly can, because like I said, it helps me out a ton to be able to do more stuff like this. And we'll get there eventually, but smash that subscribe button before you do anything. Stop what you're doing right now, smash it. That way you know what's going on, and you know, we'll get that giveaway to you guys. So check it out. But let's get into the video today. Basically, in today's video, I'm going to show you a little how to install a Saddlemen step-up seat on these Harleys. And very excited. I actually got this thing off of a guy that was selling it pretty cheap, which I'm all about to use stuff if I can to save a little bit of money. You know, these Saddlemen seats can be kind of expensive if you're buying them used, and especially if you're getting them customized. I've heard they're well over $700 or something to even get one customized, plus the wait time on them. So I couldn't pass it up, man. This thing looks brand spanking new, so let's check it out. Let me grab it. She's on the old Honda dog here. Man, I am super freaking excited. So let's check her out. Do a little before. So that's the before of what the normal soft tail seat looks like. So let's set this Saddlemen down. I'll give you a little better preview here in a second. But as you can see, it's just a basic, it's just your basic seat here, you know, little backrest, which this thing wouldn't be very comfortable to sit on, I would imagine, but nothing crazy. So before we throw it on here, I'll just give you guys a little preview of what it looks like. It's really cool looking. Just basic, it's just basic stitched black leather step-up seat from Saddlemen, so nothing special. But like I said, that's the old, and let's check her out, man. So we got this little nice Saddlemen seat here, which looks freaking killer. I can't wait. Let's get this old seat off here. It's very, very simple, guys. If you're putting it on a soft tail, obviously you're just taking out this back bolt out and this top bolt out. Now obviously I test fit this seat the other day to make sure it was legit and make sure that it did fit and everything before I did this, so I pre-loosened the bolts already. But that's it. Those will pop out and you'll slide the seat right in, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get her done. So as I just said, what we're going to do here real quick is just take this back bolt out, and then we're going to take the front bolt out. So it's very simple. Literally, I told you I just loosened these up very quickly. So you're literally going to take this, wind it back out. Don't lose this little washer on there because you're going to need it. And then obviously let's do the same with the front part. Same thing, do not lose the little plastic washer that comes with it. And that's what they look like. And then literally these pieces right here pop right off. You know, that's the little backrest. And then the front one's gonna be on a lip here, and then slides right out. So obviously that front hook right here is gonna slide right under that piece when we put the new one on. Alright guys, so we are going to throw the Saddlemen on now, and then it's literally just going to slide under here and bolt completely up to the seat, and then we'll put one, well, you won't use one of these bolts anymore, I don't believe so at least. So we'll literally just slide it on and then good to go at that point. Yeah, so let's slide this thing on and see how it looks. So now you literally just take one of these little bolts that came off the bike, and you know, there should be the same size obviously, and all you literally do, line the seat up where you want it, screw it on in there, man. Once it's on there, you can do however you please. If you want to tighten it some more, tighten it some more. If not, then you are good to go. Man, oh man, does this seat look so much better. Check this thing out. Holy crap. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Guys, if you're in the market for a new aftermarket seat, check out these Saddlemen step-up seats. They are so freaking comfortable, and they fit real snug, very tight, and man, it just slicks up the look on this thing. I'm not gonna lie, man, it really looks good. I'm glad I went with it. Definitely beats that old one right there. I'm not gonna lie, it beats it by a lot. But guys, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Super quick install, but let me tell you, we got some more coming. Don't you worry about that. And like I said, you guys got to keep smashing that subscriber button. It helps me. It'll help me get some more parts a little sooner, you know what I mean? And we're going to try and build the subscriber base up pretty high. So there's a lot I want to do to this thing. And unfortunately, it's still winter time, but it's a 60-degree day today. So we're going to take the rocket out today because it's been dead. So I'm going to charge it up, take it out for a little while, and just enjoy the night. So it should be a good time. And guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Like I said, super quick video. I just want to have something for you to show how to do that. Someone was curious about doing it. And that's that. I hope it helped somebody. If there's any questions, let me know. Be glad to answer them. And don't forget, smash that subscriber button. Like, comment. You know, I want to talk to everyone. And we'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what it's going to be, but we'll see. We'll see what we get into. So I appreciate it, guys. And we'll catch you in the next video.